Tools and Twisties, precision tools and performance cars. Tekton just released their new line of screwdrivers, and I want to give you a quick preview of them. They just arrived today. They are made in Germany, and they are made by Witte, V-W-I-T-T-E. I think it's pronounced Witte. They're quite nice. They are reasonably priced, made in Germany screwdrivers. They have this tri-lobe handle with a dual material, nicely bead blasted sort of finish on the shafts. They are marked made in Germany, come in metric flat sizes, and of course Phillips. I just picked up the number 2 Phillips and the flathead in the new screwdrivers, but I also picked up their full set of Torx drivers, T10 through T30, very similar made. One thing that's interesting about these new Witte Tekton screwdrivers is the size of the handle varies dependent on the size of the bit. So you can see with these Torx ones that there's actually 3 different sizes of handles depending on the size of the tool. And the same is true with the regular screwdrivers. These are the old Tekton hard-handled screwdrivers, which they have in their outlet store on Closeout, also on Amazon for a great price. And these are a made in USA screwdriver. Chrome handles. Some people complain about the tips on them. I haven't had problems with them. I'm not a huge Snap-on hard handle fan, but actually I really like these. And they're quite nice and quite a bit less expensive, but these new Witte ones I think are nicer. Just to give you a direct comparison, here's the number 2 Phillips in the hard handle and the number 2 Phillips in the new Witte Tekton. You can get a closer look at the tips there. Chrome shaft versus blasted shaft. This one has the little assist thing on it that you can supposedly put a wrench. And they talk about this hole as being for hanging, but you know, I've always heard you can use it for additional torque, although I've never done that with a screwdriver. I have plenty of other tools if I need more torque. They're all marked on the end, which I like. When you use them in things like the tool cart back there, and they're vertical, it's nice to see the sizes on the top. And I thought I'll also maybe give you a quick comparison to a few other tools that I have. This is the Wera, one of my favorite screwdrivers, also in a number 2 Phillips. You can compare the tip. These are stainless Weras, and they have a sort of a laser etched tip on them. Wera is a German company, but these are made in the Czech Republic as opposed to the Witte, which is a German company made in Germany. The handles on the Weras are really quite nice. Kind of my favorites, and they're also marked on the end. You know, equivalent German screwdrivers. What else do we have? We have PB Swiss. This is with a resin type handle. Compare the tips on those a little bit. PB Swiss makes a variety of different handle types. These are also German or a Swiss company, made in Switzerland. We have the Vessel Megadora, which is one of my new favorites. One of the things about the Vessel that's really nice is they have this knurled shaft on them, so when you're trying to get fine control, you can grab it by the shaft. The handle grip on the Vessels is really quite nice. Comparison to the tips. Tips are all pretty similar on this. I haven't used the new ones enough to really comment on how durable the tips are, but I know Witte is a super reputable company and Tekton has a great warranty, and I think the combination of the two is going to result in a great screwdriver. We have the Wiha screwdrivers. This is the heavy duty one, and we also have the Wiha and the regular duty one. Get a little comparison of the tips there. Shafts are pretty similar on them. I think these are all, you know, this is a through shaft screwdriver designed to be hammered on, so that's a little bit of a different style. But again, very similar. And I think that, you know, Tekton actually offering a German-made screwdriver is quite nice. What else do we have? We have the Felo, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Again, it's a through handle type screwdriver, which usually aren't my favorite, but they sort of stay out of the way. This one has a whole hex shaft on it, which makes it easier to turn, a little bit heavier duty, a little bit of a tip comparison there. Again, the handles are, you know, everyone's a little bit different. These are actually quite nice. The handles on these are actually pretty excellent. And we have Hazet, also a German screwdriver, another through handle style. And you can see the shafts on these are very similar. Hazet and Felo, also German companies, German manufacturer. And we also have this is a Witte. It's not a screwdriver, it's an awl, but it's the only Witte tool I have. And you can see it's pretty much identical to the new Tekton ones in design and implementation. Colors are different, obviously. Texture of the handle is very much the same. The shaft is different on this one, but I'm not sure how much that is because this is a different tool. This is a scratch awl rather than a screwdriver, and maybe they just don't manufacture it the same way. And as a final comparison, the Snap-On Instinct style handles. And these, I may be the only person on the planet that doesn't really like this Snap-On Instinct style handle. I just don't like it for some reason. It just doesn't fit well in my hand. But give you a little bit of a tip comparison there between that and the new Tekton. And overall, I would say, you know, it's pretty awesome that Tekton is offering these new German-made screwdrivers. Here's the Tekton flat against the old Tekton. And these old hard handles are a great deal. If you like these, go pick them up while they're on closeout. The new Tektons, I think, are still pretty reasonably priced, especially for a lifetime warranty made in Germany tools. And even compared to my favorite, which are the Weras, you know, I like the fact that they're actually made in Germany versus made in the Czech Republic. Although the quality on the Weras is excellent. You really can't knock it just because of the country of origin. These are all, by the way, Ernst magnetic wrench organizers, which I find to be sort of the perfect organizer tool for screwdrivers. They're all messed up now, but you saw them before. And I think they work great. So at any rate, that's the Tekton, new Tekton Witte collaboration screwdriver is now available. And that is my quick review. And that's Tools and Twisties out.